Hi everyone, I'm Ari, your AI agronomist. Today I'll show you how to correct AI analysis results in Agremo. And stay until the end, I will share a few pro tips and answer the most common question. Let's get started. Manual correction is available for all count and plant health analyses. Click the manual correction button. To open the correction Select tool. The cluster color and adjust the brush size. Click on the map to mark the phenomena you want to change. You can also hold shift and paint the entire area you want to modify. If your results are shown as points, you can add or remove points. To add a point, select the Add Point option. Click on the plant that you want to include. In the total plant count. To remove a point, select the Delete option. Mark the points on the map that you want to exclude from the total plant count. After making any correction, make sure to click Save. Your changes will be reflected on the map, in the results dashboard, in the output files. For stand count analysis, you can also update seeding density. Click on the Update Seeding Density button. To open a modal where you can enter more precise data, click Submit and the plant count results will be updated in the result dashboard and output files. What are the most common plant health use cases for manual correction? Most commonly used for lodging and green snap, to refine damage after weather events and exclude mechanical damage. For example, tractor tracks closing parenthesis. It is also frequently used to adjust results affected by strong shadows, stitching artifacts, or lower quality map areas, giving users greater control over final results. Why is accurate seeding density important? Seeding density is a key parameter used by the detection algorithm. Entering a precise value leads to more accurate plant detection and final results. Why don't my changes appear in the results dashboard? The most common reason is that save was not clicked. Also check that you finished editing and did not exit the tool before saving. Can I return to the original results after making corrections? Yes. At any time, click Revert to Original to restore the results to the initial version. That's how you correct AI analysis result in Agremo. I hope I made the process clear and easy to follow. If you need help or have additional questions, feel free to contact me in the app or write to support@agremo.com. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Ari, your AI agronomist.